So guys, how to create simple clone effect in CapCut? It's really simple. Let's bring our video clip to the timeline. Now select the clip, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V to duplicate the clip. Select the second clip, go to video, cutout, auto cutout. This may take some time, depends on your PC configuration. So what's the objective of auto cutout? This will separate the object from the background. This could be an animal or human. Now select the second layer. Suppose we need 3 clones. For that, duplicate the layer 3 times. Now position the clones. Now resize the object according to the distance. So select this clone, video, basic, scale it down to like 94, then position it. Let's see what we have so far. See, it's working properly, but there is a problem here. Third object is showing in front of the first object. So how to fix this problem? Select the main object, then go to video, basic, scroll down, layer, put it to third layer. Done. The problem is fixed. So guys, that's how easily we can use clone effect in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.